Cluster 5. Cluster 9. The noun is a bold statement of creativity. This is cluster 6. This is cluster 6. Our candidate number 6. Number 6. A candidate number 6 turned down the runway in a striking ensemble lead from forward, clean rock, and truss bands, representing a bird in flight. The design showcased creativity, reuse, and sustainability, making a powerful statement about art and environmental awareness. Once again, our candidate number 6 from cluster 6. Next, we have our candidate number 7. This is our candidate number 5. Number 5, cluster 6. Cluster 9. Her is a bold statement of creativity and environmental consciousness, proudly crafted by youth of Cluster 9. The top is formed from newspaper, symbolizing communication, truth, and the power of information in the hands of today's youth. It reminds us that even the discarded can be reshaped to speak volumes. The bottom goes like a regal gown built from pom-poms and intricately folded newspaper flowers. This fusion reflects hope blooming from waste, a metaphor that beauty can grow even from what the world calls trash. Every flower is silent protest against pollution and a celebration of resourcefulness. Crowning the ensemble is the headpiece made from straw and plastic cup. These common, often waste materials are transformed into a symbol of responsibility and humility, reminding us that we bear earth on our heads that must carry its future with care. Her gown represents transformation, resilience, and the voice of generation, a generation rising not just to wear fashion, but to change the world through it. Once again, our candidate number 5 from Cluster 9. Next, we have our candidate number 7 from Cluster 7. This outfit is proudly crafted using plastic cellophane, brochures, city tape, and sock, and old cloth and newspaper, creatively assembled to symbolize the vibrant spirit of the Filipino people. The design is inspired by the Philippine flag, showcasing the color blue, red, white, and yellow. The concept centers on the Philippine flag as a symbol of unity, courage, and peace. This outfit is tribute to the strength, resilience, and creativity of the Filipino people. By using recycled materials, it also sends a strong message about the importance of sustainability and nation pride. Once again, our candidate number 7 from Cluster 7. Next, we have our candidate number 8 from Cluster 4. Creating a piece out of unconventional materials like cellophane, used research paper, and sako offers a unique and creative challenge. The body of this recycled dress is made out of cellophane, and the inner layer of this made out of cardboard petticoat and the research papers used as pleats that are added give it more illusion to the dress, while the handbag is made out of satin and other fabrics. The design pays tribute to the constant evolution of knowledge, where discarded wisdom, used research paper can be reborn into something beautiful, useful, and meaningful. The combination of colors and textured elements symbolizes the delicate balance between intellectual growth and fragility of ideas, and the enduring strength of culture, and on how we can save our community from greenhouses gases. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our candidate number 8 from Cluster 4. Next, we have our next candidate, number 9 from Cluster 1. This recycled costume is creative fusion of upcycled materials and traditional Filipino elements. A mermaid-style gown fashion from repurposed burlap sacks from the base, showcasing the striking earthy texture. A unique umbrella also crafted from sackcloth and adorned with straw provides a whimsical, playful element. Finally, burlap ribbons elegantly trail from the back, completing the assembled sack cloth, resourcing Guam's sustainability and transformation. The umbrella, playfulness, and a genuine lesson from elements both literally and figuratively, and can now celebration vibrantly and live. Lastly, the ribbon, simplicity, elegance, unity of design. Once again, our candidate number 9 from Cluster 1. Here request again our lovely candidates for our fashion show.
We will make you scream.
another lovely candidate for our Russian show. Ayan. Alright, so saan yung cluster 2? Cluster 2? Cluster 2, saan yung cluster 2? Cluster 2 followed by cluster 3. Una po, cluster 2. Candidate number 1. Una po ang cluster 2. Cluster 2? Ha? Walang representative ang cluster 2? Okay, so cluster 8. Cluster 8, cluster 3, cluster 5, cluster 9, cluster 6, cluster 6, cluster 7, cluster 4, and cluster 1. So, ito po yung pagkakasunod-sunod. So, wala po tayong cluster 2. So, wala po tayong candidate number 1. I mean. So, we have candidate number 2, candidate number 3, candidate number 4, candidate number 5, candidate number 6, candidate number 7, candidate number 8, and candidate number 9. So, wala po tayong candidate number 1. Okay? Okay. So while pumipili ang ating board of judges, tatanungin naman natin yung ating mga kandidata. Ayun. So, hello! Ayun, ayun. Parang may hirapan sa kanyang pakpak. Okay. Hello, candidate number 2. Ayun, so what cluster do you represent?
Cluster A.
Ayun, cluster A. So, ano po ang pangalan ni cluster A?
My name is Mitch Arellano.
Mitch Arligato. So, ilang taon na po si Mitch?
Arellano po.
Arellano? Ilang taon na po si Mitch?
15.
15 years old. So, are you happy joining our parish youth encampment?
Yes, very well happy.
Did you enjoy?
So much.
Okay. So, si Mitch ba ay single or taken?
Taken.
Taken. Sarah all. Sarah all. Alright, thank you so much. Candidate number 2, and hello. Candidate number 3 from cluster 3.
Yes.
Ayun. So, ano pangalan ni cluster 3?
I am Alexa Shane Calanza po.
Alexa Shane Calanza.
Yes.
So, ilang taon na si Alexa Shane?
15 po.
50 years old. So, kamusta naman yung experience mo dito?
Kinakabahan po and na-enjoy ko po talaga.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, sa lahat po ng mga activity natin during our parish youth encampment, saan ka ba mas nag-enjoy ng ating activity?
Sa get to know each other po.
Get to know each other. Alright. So, meron ka bang nakilala sa mga ibang cluster?
Yes.
Sino yung mga kaibigan mong nakilala mo?
Sila Lodri po,
Mhm.
sila Army from cluster 1.
Ay. So, they are your friends. You know?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Candidate number 3. And hello. Candidate number 4. And what cluster do you represent?
Cluster 5 po.
Cluster 5. So, ano po pangalan ni cluster 5?
Catlea Rose Villegas Villones po.
Piliegas?
Villones po.
Okay. So, ilang taon na po si ano?
17.
70 years old. Kamusta naman yung experience mo dito sa ating PYE?
Masaya. Marami akong kilalang kaibigan.
Totoo.
Yes po.
Sino yung artist mo sa iyong Zoom attire?
Si Cap Carrie Colmatico.
Si Kapitan?
SK Chairman.
Si chairman pala. Okay. Akala ko Kapitan eh. Akala ko si Cap Rafi Lacson. Okay. So, single, taken. Complicated.
Complicated.
Complicated. Madura-dura pa siya. Thank you so much. Cluster 5. Ay, nabasa. Hello, candidate number 5. And what cluster do you represent?
Cluster 9.
Cluster 9. Saan yung cluster 9? Oh, basan ko lang. Okay, so ilang taon na ba? Ay, anong pangalan ni cluster 9?
I am Karen Palavinos.
Ano?
Karen Palavinos.
Carlin.
Karen.
Carlin. So ilang taon na si Carlin? 16 years old. Saan ka ba nag-enjoy sa ating activity ngayong PYE? Anong activity ka nag-enjoy? Saang activity yung ginawa natin during our PYE?
Team building.
Team building kanina yung nagsulay ka mo sa ulan. Na-enjoy man ka mo bisan basa ka mo sa ulan. Okay. So single, taken. Complicated.
Hanap.
Hanap ng iba. Hello! Candidate number 6 and what cluster do you represent?
Representing cluster 6.
Ha?
I'm representing cluster 6.
Oh, gusto mo din. Ano pa?
I'm representing cluster 6.
Cluster 6! Ayan. So, anong pangalan ni Cluster 6?
My name is Gwen Nicole Barcan.
Gwen?
Hindi na mag-video boy, hindi na mag-video, wala na kuan. Wala na ka. Okay
Ano
lang.
pangalan?
Gwen Nicole
Wala na.
Gwen
wala na
Lee.
kuan.
Gwen Nicole.
Gwen Nicole. Gwen Nicole. Okay. Sige. So, ilang taon na si Gwen?
I'm 15 years old.
15 years old. So, single ka ba?
Complicated.
Bakit marami kayong complicated dito? Baka nag-away kayo dahil sa ating PYE. Ganun bang rason? Ay. Baka nag-away kayo ng mga jowa ninyo dahil sa PYE natin, ha? Okay. Baka hindi kayo pinayagan ng jowa ninyo, nag-away kayo, kaya naging complicated. Gusto mo bang iset ang istorya mo sa akin kay on air ko sa radyo? Dear P.J. McCoy, itago niyo ako sa pangalang Maria. Maria. Thank you so much, Cluster 6. Saan mo? Feel ko, ubos na bugas niyo sa balay niyo. Hello, candidate number 7. What cluster do you represent?
Cluster 7.
Cluster 7. Ay, grabe kang mag-iisingit to binalokit yan mo nyo. Okay. So, anong pangalan ni Cluster 7?
Mary Joy Panigua.
Mary Joy. Saan kang lugar?
From New Pasig.
New Pasig. I knew when I saw you. So, ilang taon na si, anong pangalan mo ulit?
Mary Joy.
Mary Joy. Ilang taon ka na?
17.
17 years old. Ano ba yung na-enjoy mo during our PYE? O yung nagustuhan mo activity natin?
Itong fashion show.
Fashion show. Bakit?
Basta
Not lang. Not lang. Diba? Pero namin siya, no? Eh, syempre, ikaw nagsuksok sa inyo. Inspired with Philippine flag. So, Philippine flag, ikaw, poste. Charis. Okay, so single, taken.
Taken po.
Aba! Nandito ba? Wala. Ikaw, party girl, nandito ba yung jowa mo? Anong cluster? Anong cluster siya? Ha? Pwede mo bang banggitin pangalan niya? Sino ba yung nakakilala ng jowa niya? Saan? Halika dito. Halika dito. Sino yan? Si Angal? Si Angal? Amo to? Ano kung malasa kasang tumunoy? Anong pangalan ng jowa mo? Oh, kilala ko! Dancer ko ito ng Talakutong eh. Saan si Aljun? Halika dito, Aljun. Halika dito. Ay, mama niya. Alam, nandito yung parent ni ate ko. Okay lang ba, ma'am?
Okay lang po.
Ay, okay. Halika dito, Aljun. Saan si Aljun? Halika dito. Dapat proud ka. Pagsigawan natin. Halika dito. Okay, Ay, magmano ka sa mami. Magmano ka. So, ito po si Aljon, te. Okay na si Aljon. All okay daw. So, may basbas ng kanyang magulang. Okay. Ay, bakit yun? Okay. So, ano na dito? Kakausapin kita ko talaga. Okay. Anong masasabi mo kay candidate number 2 wearing first ang kanyang attire? Kapagwapa daw kanya. Proud ka man sa iya. Oo. So, si Aljun is our dancer ko ito during our Talakodong Festival. Okay, thank you so much, Aljun. At least, di ba, nabalaan na ni Hunting. Balaan niyo naman. Sige. So, congratulations sa inyo. Sana all. Tamo na eh. May, mo na lang ito. Do, ano na kita daw pagka na kita sa lining. Thank you so much. Dahil sa iyo nakilala ko ang jowa ni candidate number 2. Okay. Sige. Hello, candidate number 8. Ayun. And what cluster do you represent?
Cluster 4!
Wow! So, anong pangalan ni Cluster 4?
My name is Divine Didi Faria, 18 years old.
Hindi na ako mamangkot. Okay. So, sa ano pangalan mo?
Divine po.
Divine. Ang good. May dito nga imahe isang divine mercy na siya. Okay. So, 18 years old. Okay. So, are you single, taken?
Single po.
Single! Sandali lang. Ano ba yung hinahanap mo sa isang lalaki? Okay. Ano ba yung ideal na hinahanap mo sa isang lalaki?
Mabait, tapos...
Mabait, tapos
matangkad.
matangkad.
Then, syempre, gwapo.
Gwapo. Mabait, matangkad, at saka gwapo. Sino yun? Sino naman po? Ha? Sino? Dali. Dali. Hanapan kita ng jowa. Matangkad, mabait, at gwapo. Kung hindi ka gwapo pa imuyong ka. Sino? Sino? Ginatudlo, yung ginapatindog. Sino ba pwede? Okay. Yun ba yung hinanap mo, matangkad, gwapo, at mabait? Okay. So wala mo isang buot diri, so ex ka mo talaga. Wala isang buot. Hello, our last candidate number 9 from
Cluster 1.
Cluster 1. So ano pangalan ni Cluster 1?
Ladirin po.
Ha?
Ladirin.
Lodilin. Ilan taon na si Lodilin?
15 po.
15 years old, okay? So, taken or single?
Single.
Ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang lalaki?
Tall.
Tall? Ano tall? Ano sa tall? Tall ba? Ako na? Taas?
Siyempre,
Ano?
kabaloma.
Anong palumang ano? Ginapaisip mo ako. Ano? Kabalumang ano?
Pagsaot.
Mag-low? Ay, mag-alisang pang... Ay, gusto niya matured. Meron ko dito senior citizen, gusto mo?
54.
54 years old. Ano yan, ano? Kabalo sa pinabuhi ng ano pa? Matangkad lang.
Gwapo.
Gwapo? Pinakilig ka na sa... Marami ako dito. Okay. Yun ang hinahanap mo, matangkad, kung kabalo sa pangabuhi, kag gwapo. Oh, tulog ka na yun, no? Sino gwapo sa inyo? Alam mo lang kung balong sino ba? Okay, sige mo lang to. Pero nag-accept sa mga loyal sa mo?
Wala.
Wala mo. Ginabawalan ka na eh?
Wala man.
Wala man.
Wala.
Teka lang. Tama doon. Hindi ba natin? Charis na. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin yung ating mga lovely candidates and their rush outfit. No? So, nakita natin kanina na bago po magsimula ang ating program ay busy sila sa paggawa ng kanilang mga outfit for our Russian show. So, makikita natin yung mga cellophane, mga newspaper, mga sellotapes, mga straw, disposable spoons, tansans, paper plate, ano pa ba? Mga payong, mga payong, ano may pamaypay na sako, di ba? Jasmine mo na kasako. Alright, sige palapakan po natin once again our lovely candidates and their trash outfit for our Russian show competition. Thank you so much, ladies. So, pwede na kayong pumunta. And one round na rampa kayo. Diyan. Go! Lovely candidates. Okay, palakpakan po natin once again. Yung, kaya sino yung mga silupin nga nagkarabilin diri? Waay nyo na hugot sakto ang silupin ninyo. Basi kung paano isang ito karon. Okay, so thank you so much. Sa result, tapos na po tayo sa ating unang competition, ang ating Russian show competition. And now, let's proceed to our next competition, and that is the Bandarama. And of course, our participants, kindly prepare yourselves because we will start now our competition for our Bandarama. Okay? So, narinig na po natin yung ating guidelines and criteria for judging kanina. So, kung nabasa niyo po kanina ay sana po ay naiintindihan ninyo. Okay? So, I think ready na po yung ating mga participants or our entries from the different clusters. So, let me check again the energy of our different clusters. Let's start with the energy. Magsigawan at pumalakpak ang cluster 1. Nasa naman cluster 2. Cluster 3. Cluster 4. Cluster 5. Cluster 6. Cluster 7. Cluster 8. And cluster 9. Okay, sa mga participants po natin, huwag na po tayong lumabas. Okay? And kindly check your members. Pakilista po ang mga umalis. Ang wala po sa tabi ninyo. Okay? So, we have our facilitators para po magbantay sa inyo kung gusto nyo pong mag-CR or umihi. Kindly ask our facilitators para po makapagpaalam po kayo ng maayos. Yung hindi yung kayo na lang yung lalabas. Okay? So, I think ready na ang ating mga and of course, we would like to remind, sa lahat po ng mga nandito sa loob ng ating simbahan, i-avoid muna natin yung pag-video.